Rooftent. Welcome to our wardrobe. Internet connection in the desert. Hey, yo, still sleeping. We don't need. Let's wake him up. We used this car for a week. Yeah, that's not your average Mini. It's the Mini buggy for the Dakar team 2019. What up, guys? Welcome back to a new special inside series, a used special inside series. I don't have a name yet for it, but we'll see. Anyway, welcome in Dakar, in Peru, at Pisco, where we have today the last day of the whole Dakar. I was invited by Mini, and as you can see here behind me, we have a lot of Countrymans. And this one here, the first one, was my countryman, mine and AO Countrymans for the whole week during the Dakar experience. And we also slept on top. But it's now for 1 week in the desert, used, drived, dirty. All our stuff is in the car. And AO had a cool idea. He said, why not do an inside series type of video of the Countryman after 1 week in Dakar. It's the Countryman SD. This is that new Mini logo. This is the Dakar sticker for this car. You can see how dirty she is. It's a German car, so they shipped all these German cars to the desert. Quite dirty, day driving lights, LEDs there. We have winter tires because that gives you the best grip in this sandy surface. You can see how the tires have colored bluish. That's maybe because of the temperature, because yeah, winter tires aren't built for heat temperatures. These are also run flat tires. 225, 15, 18 inches, lightweight metal. The S logo, the mirror cap, dirty. There, a camera. And the Countryman is all 4, meaning X-drive, aka 4-wheel drive. I will show you why this is later. So this is the Rooftent auto home. It's now folded up because yeah, we slept on top of the Minis. We also have these stairs to enter because you need to enter at one time. First aid kit on board. So yeah, we have all kind of liveries for the rally as well. Dirty. Oh, that's the wrong eye. Leave it. Countryman. 2 exhausts because it's an S. In this case, the SD. Also here in the back, the Dakar sticker. And yeah. That's actually from the outside quite it, with all the dirt and the sand of the desert. But the most cool thing starts inside. Welcome to our wardrobe. So this is AO's bag. This is some of his clothing. This is the other bag. This is my dry area because I had a shower today. It's my suitcase with all my stuff. That's the proof. Look, some press cards from some other trips. Let's bring this back for some drying. And let's have a look what we have here, because here we have some drinks facilitated by Mini. Thank you very mucho. What do we have more? What's this? I have no idea. Oh, this is, I think, oh, this is a light. Automatic light. That's nice. So yeah, we folded down this center section of the rear seats. And I'll show you later on why. So yeah, easy use, 2 persons for 1 week. Gear, camera bags, and also the regular bags. Let's close this. And let's have a further look on the rear seats. The rear seats are actually no seats anymore because these are gear area. So we have 2 cameras, that's AO's cameras. So lens boxes, charges for his MacBook. You will find during this review a lot of this stuff. Comment below if you know what this is. Here we have a special box. That's some extra food during the ride. So it fits exactly in the center, that's perfect. This is my headphone, my GoPro. Below you can find some drinks. Well, yeah, you can see that sand is everywhere because yeah, we used the car for 1 week. Some paper, and again these things. The mini door handles, silver buttons for the window trims. Let's have a look at the other side. So yeah, that's my camera bag. Well, actually still have some space on this side, to be honest. Some drinks, some old Oreos, water, empty water bottles. Okay, let's have a look at the passenger door. First of all, we have this hanging here. I will show you why. This is the driver's door. A lot of dust, you can see. Everything's still working. So it's really dusty, really dirty here, but everything is still working. So here also, again, these little bags, some food, because they're very useful here in the door. The Harman carton speaker audio system, and yeah, the door sills, you can still read it. Cooper S. Well, actually it's Countryman SD, so it's a bit tricky, Mini. I don't know why. Maybe you forgot something at the factory. We have electric adjustable seats. That's really handy here because we adjust the seats a lot. So yeah, Peruvian sand everywhere. Welcome inside. The Bluetooth speaker with some music. Let's turn that down a bit. So yeah, this is the point of view in this Countryman during the Dakar trip. And we have this hanging here because during editing you need some shadow. Because if you don't have this, you have a lot of sunlight. And now you have shadow, so that's why we use this. Put it away from now and give you guys some light. Here we go, put it there. Okay, inside the Countryman. Well, steering wheel, very dusty. Black steering wheel with the leather UK English flag there. The Mini logo. Automatic headlights. Speedometers, and yeah, actually quite as she used to be from a Countryman Mini. So we use the dash actually, well there's the heads-up display, but we use the dash as a sort of a big table. So this is Ayo's MacBook Pro with a really handy, strong, sticky thing here. So I use this as a double table. My Bluetooth speaker, my MacBook Pro. Currently charging, empty bottle, and yeah, well, everything's still working, but of course, turn down the volume. So yeah, the famous big center Sat-Nav of the Minis, identical almost as BMW. Okay, so here below we have climate system. Here we have the buttons, and look at how we have used all the extra spaces and the bucket holder. So these are batteries for the drone. These are the adapters for the drone. We have 2 batteries there. This is of course the walkie-talkie for the communication. This is an extra 12-volt input. We have a USB input there. Currently my phone is charging. If there are a little 12-volt input that we have combined with internet connection and some extra charging because we have a hotspot. There it is. So connected to the 12 volts to true USB internet connection in the desert. Okay. So yeah, a lot of cabling over here. My MacBook and my MacBook Pro has a charging of USB-C, and that's actually quite cool because this Mini also has USB-C, and not even one USB-C input, no, 3 USB-C inputs. So here in the armrest, well, the extra camera of AO. And again, these things, AO's, oh, you got a lot of messages, bro. AO's phone, some extra money for the toll, aka peage. You can even sand in here. Yeah, you can find sand everywhere. Sand and dust, guys. Sand and dust. Little armrests. Here we have the mini phone with some music and emergency wireless charging, by the way. Just like in my old M2 and the X4. Here we go. Ta-da! Let's put this back. So here, actually, AO also slept tonight. Don't know where he is actually. You can see you can fold down the seat really well, and it's actually quite a doable sleeping area. I actually slept here as well, so I can acknowledge it's a really doable sleeping area as well. So yeah, that's the used Dakar facilitation transport of the Mini Countryman during this week. Actually really a cool idea to show you guys how a new car is actually proper used, functional used. Need to do this more often. Let's have a look at the roof tent, because the roof tent is actually quite cool. I've also slept there. So as I told you, this is foldable and the top goes down, and then you just drive with your tent. So you can mount this ladder on both sides, connect it like this. And you can roll this actually like a proper tent up. Roll this up. It's quite hot. The sun is boiling here. Everybody's leaving to Lima for the old stage. AO is sleeping. AO is still sleeping. We don't need. Let's wake him up. Quackadoodle! AO, you need to wake up, bro. YouTube's watching. What the hell are you doing? Sleep well?
Yes.
Oh, that's yes. So you can see that inside the tent, it's actually, yeah. So here on top, you have some extra space, huh?
Yes, extra space there and there.
Okay, and we have an LED here. We have two air windows. That's good for if you fart a lot. And yeah, this is this entrance. You also have on the other side. This is the mattress. It's specially mounted for this, so it's quite thick. You can leave it in. You can leave it actually all in. So you can leave the cushions in. You can leave the sleeping bag in, and you can leave AO in, and you just fold this down and you just drive. Alrighty, guys, that's for now for the used review of the Countryman. So yeah, quite cool to show you guys how we used this car for a week with all the dirt. AO's exiting. Thank you for watching, and I will see you definitely on the next video. Ciao!